In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make 5 rectangular infographic option slide in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have added a rectangular shape here along with the 2 cables, and when I click, this cable pulls up the first option. You can see here I've just added a kind of a clip there. So it's 01, and you can add the title and the detailed text along with the icon, and I have given the shadow options as well. And on my next click, it will show me the second option with different colors, third option, fourth and fifth. Now it's up to you how many options you want to add. So in this example, I have added 5 options, and in the next slide I have added 4 options. You can see here something like this. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. Add a new slide, go to view, enable the guides, go to insert shapes, select the rectangle, draw the rectangle exactly in the center of the slide. You can see here shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill you can give some dark gray color, and then right mouse click, go to format shape, and under effects select the shadow. I'm going to select the shadow which is inner, and I'm going to select inside center, so you end up getting shape something like this. Now let me just disable the guides. Then I'm going to insert shapes, select a rectangle again, draw a small rectangle. Here you can see here inside this one. Now how much options you need, based on that one you can decide the height of this one. For example, I'm just going to take maybe a 3 or 4 options only. So let me just take maybe this much size, and then shape outline, make it no outline, and you can choose any color of your choice. Now once you've selected this, I'm going to insert shapes, and I'm going to select from the basic shapes. You can see here this one, which is the parallelogram. Can you see here, this is the parallelogram, and shape outline, make it no outline, and then I'm just going to rotate this. You can see here, let me just rotate something like this, and then I'm just going to bring it till here and just increase the size, and then you can just go and rotate it, rotate flip vertical, and just put it here. You can see here, and I'm just going to select both these options and going to bring it down something like this. Now how much size you want, you can just increase or reduce, or up to your requirement. So make sure that this is properly aligned. And once this is done, before adding one more rectangle, I'm just going to give a different color here, maybe this color, and then go to insert shapes, select one more rectangle and draw one more rectangle here, maybe this much size. You can see here shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill, make it white color. Make sure that this is properly aligned, and then go to insert shapes, select the oval shape, draw the oval shape here. By holding the shift key you can get the perfect oval shape, and then shape outline, make it no outline, and you can give the same color. Let me just change this color. So first of all, I'm going to select this color, and I'm going to give the same color here, and then I can give some darker color by going to more colors, and then just increase it from here. You can see here, click OK, and here also I'm going to give the same color, and then go to insert shapes, add one more oval shape, again hold the shift key and just put it exactly in the center. You can see here, and shape fill, make it light gray, shape outline, make it no outline, and this one I'm going to give a shadow effect, select offset left. You can see here. So once this is done, now you can give the shadow effect for this also. So I'm going to select this, press Ctrl D, shape fill, make it black color, and then if you want you can make it somewhat transparent. You can see here. Then go to effects, under soft edges just increase the size. You can see here, and then let me just take this here, and you can just turn it something like this, maybe this much size, and then send this to back. So you can see here, let me just make it and send this back here. So you can see here I've just created one shadow effect here, and if you want you can create one more shadow effect. Press Ctrl D. You can increase the transparency level. You can just see here, let me just reduce the size, make it straight, and then just put it here one more and just send this to back. So you can see here I have added two shadow effects here. Now once this is done, either you can add the icons if you have. For this you can just go to insert and you can click on icons. Remember that this particular feature is available only in the latest version of PowerPoint. If you don't have the icons, you can add something else here. So before that, before adding the icons or text, let me just select all and press Ctrl G to group it. Now duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D. You can see here, bring it here, and then go to rotate, just flip horizontal and just go to this side, just copy and paste it here, and then press Ctrl D. You can see here, before that let me just do this one, Ctrl D, and I'm just going to put it here, the third one, and this one Ctrl D and just position it here. So you can see here this is the fourth option. Now it's very easy, you can just go here, either you can ungroup it, then go to more colors. Without ungrouping also you can just come and change the color of your choice. So again, make sure that I'm going to select the same color, go to more colors and just increase the shades. It gets a darker color, and then I'm just going to give the same color, either this or the darker color, and make sure that this side the shadow effect should be onto the right, something like this. So likewise, just change the color of these also. Just go to more colors and then let me just select some good color combination here. This one will be, I'm selecting some dark teal color, and here also I'm just going to select some this color. So like this you can just change the color as per your requirement. Now let me just add the text. Go to insert text box and I'm just going to say 01, center align, make it white, increase the size, make it bold, and put it here. If you want you can give the shadow effect also. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. This will be the 2, this will be the 3, and this will be the 4th. Just change, this is 4, this is 3, and this is 2. And then you can add the title here. For example, let me just add the title here, and I'm just going to select the same color what we have used for this, using the eye color or eye painter, and then make it this bold, and you can add some detailed text at the bottom. You can see here, and you can give somewhat a gray color, reduce the size, and you can just make sure that align left, put it in the center, and you can group it. Ctrl G, then Ctrl D to duplicate, and you can just add it here, change the color. So let me just add here also, Ctrl D. So you know how to change the color, is simple. And once this is done, you can just select all once again and press Ctrl G to group it. So this also I'm just selecting, Ctrl G, I'm just highlighting all with the mouse and press Ctrl G. You can see here, now you can see here all our design is done, and if you want you can just put 2 lines here in the center also. So let's do the animation now. To add the animation, let me just close the format background, go to animations, enable the animation pane. I'm going to select the first option and say fly in. It comes from the bottom. I'm going to keep the same thing and double click this one and make sure that this bounce end is maybe 0.24 or 0.25, and the timing is, make it very fast, not a problem. If I just say okay, it comes something like this. So with the help of the animation painter, I'm going to copy the animation to the other options. So double click this, click on this, then the third option and the fourth option. So and then press escape key. Now let me just show you how it looks: the first option, second, third and the fourth option. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.